Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this lesson I'm going to show you how I play Night and Day by Al Be Sure on electric guitar. Now there's no guitar in this song, it's all keyboards. But what I'm going to do is adapt it to guitar and show you how I play it. The guitar is tuned standard, E, A, D, G, B, E, and we'll be playing 3 chords. The 3 chords that we'll play will be an A flat major 7, E major 9, and an E flat 7 flat 9. Let's take a close-up look at those chords. We're making our A flat major 7 by putting a finger on the high E string, fret 3, the B string, fret 4, the G string, fret 5, and the D string, fret 6, and we'll strum that from the D string. For the E major 9, we'll play this. We're holding down the A string at fret 7, the D string at fret 6, the G string at fret 8, and the B string at fret 7, and we're simply strumming. We don't need the high E, so we're muting that. Then there's E flat 7 flat 9 formed this way. For that one we're holding down the A string at fret 6, the D string at fret 5, the G string at fret 6, and we're going to take the index finger and lay it down like that so we get that B string at fret 5. Okay, so for an E, so there's our chord right there. The A string fret 6, the D string fret 5, the G string fret 6, and the B string fret 5. So we're borrowing like that and then bringing in those fingers. And those are the chords we'll need. The song starts with the chorus. So for the chorus, we'll strum the chords this way. Lightly strumming with my pick, and we're strumming downward in eighth notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. And here's what that sounds like with the recording. Now for the verses, we're simply going to strum each chord once and hold it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that will get us through any of the verses. Here's what that'll sound like with the recording. Next, there are some keyboard riffs to contend with, but we're going to play them on guitar. Let's take a look at how we're going to do that. Okay, let's break down our first riff. Here's what it sounds like on the recording. Here's how we're going to play it. We'll start our riff at fret 13 on the G string, bending up. Then we'll go to fret 11 on the B string and the high E string, like that. So it's, then we'll go to fret 14 on the B string with a whole step bend and bring it down to pitch. So that's up in pitch, back down in pitch with vibrato. Okay, here it goes. And here's how it'll sound with the recording. Let's go to the next riff, and it'll sound like this. And we'll play it this way. We'll be starting our riff at fret 16 on the B string. Then we'll go to fret 18 on the G string with a bend. Go back to fret 16. So that's like that. Then we'll go to fret 19 on the B string with vibrato. Back to fret 16. Then we'll go to fret 19 again on the B string and play it this way. So we bent it up twice, and while it's up, strike it again, and then end it at fret 16 on the B string. So here's the whole riff. And here's what that will sound like with the recording. Now those riffs will work throughout the song, so you can repeat them or you can just do your own variations on those riffs. Well, alright my friends, that's all you need to know in order to play along with Night and Day by Al B. Sure from 1988 on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day.